Are you looking for a new and innovative way to make money online? Well, you've come to the right place. Hey there, welcome back to Cash Collect. Today, we're going to show you how to make $500 using Google Maps. That's right, you heard it correctly. With just a few clicks, you can start earning money from the comfort of your own home. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Let's get to work right away and make some money. We'll start by opening Google Maps and searching for a scenic location to screen capture. Then, after clicking here and here, selecting the appropriate mode street view, you can explore any country of your choosing. Next, head to any neighborhood of your choosing. It is in this mode that you will be able to discover the most picturesque locations in any country and capture screenshots of them. Instead of wasting your time with that approach, which necessitates extensive travel and familiarity with scenic locations, I'll teach you a faster and more efficient way to locate an endless number of stunning locales worldwide. Write to this site. Write me the most beautiful places on our planet, and wait a while. The folks on the GPT Board will help us out. We were given a list of options almost instantly, and we had complete freedom to select from that selection. It's a great method to quickly amass a large number of stunning locations, and you can obtain even more by commenting on the board after visiting them all. I say we pick one at random. This one, for instance, about Machu Picchu in Peru, is worth copying. Then we just copy and paste it into Google Maps and locate the same spot. We activate the street view, choose this street, and our mission is to just drive around the area, taking as many interesting screenshots as possible. So have a look. This is very neat, and you can zoom in and out a bit, so you can choose the ideal vantage point. It seems to work like this to me. We flip the phone over and snap a pic when we're happy with the view. Then, we pick this screenshot to edit, and we can get rid of the extraneous stuff by cutting it out along these lines and cropping the top and left of the image. And that's the end of it. Once we're satisfied with the composition, we click the Save button, and a really cool shot is immediately available for our use. I'd like for everyone to start making money right away, and I know the best way to do so is to find something interesting and capture it in a screenshot. I'll also tell you where else on this site you can discover a ton of additional amazing pics. Your job is just to like this video so I may accomplish my goal of revealing the cheapest ways to make money to you. Really, it's that simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Sure, you can keep exploring the city in search of stunning locations, but if you're short on time, I recommend looking instead for pre-made panoramic images. A circle like this one indicates a photo has been uploaded to Google Maps by an ordinary user. Clicking on it reveals the photo and confirms that it was uploaded by the user and that it looks great. Furthermore, you can search for images pertaining to specific countries, cities, or even suburban areas. The time has come for us to crop the picture. The appropriate tool for this is an image sizing program. Following the video will be a link to the article. Let's get it started and add our picture. Also, note the pixel dimensions of 1280 and 960 below. Due to the altered dimensions caused by the upload, we now simply save our pictures to our phones and access them via the attached app. We can now use these screen captures to generate revenue. This size only and no smaller. Adjusting the screenshot's dimension is therefore essential. Then, we get the FOAP app by downloading it. Your images are worth $10 each if you decide to sell them. $10 for one photo? That's unheard of. However, the FOAP app keeps half and gives you the other half. For every photo you sell, $5 will be deposited into your account and immediately available for withdrawal. In the future, I want to use this app to publish and sell screenshots that I've taken while using Google Maps. Because these screenshots are taken by average individuals. They are not protected by any intellectual property laws and can be used for any purpose. It's awesome, and at the video's conclusion, I'll share a secret that will allow you to quickly and simply find and sell dozens of images every day, allowing you to easily make $100 to $200 daily. Our screenshot will be uploaded once we choose Manage Photo, then Add Photo, and finally select Screenshot. Just one more click and we'll be able to give our shot a proper moniker. Google image searches are guided by the title we give our image. Just as I limited myself to naming the stunning location where this photo was taken, Machu Picchu, Peru, you should do the same. More people will see your photo because of this description, and you'll make more money as a result. To this end, I set the scene with Mountain Machu Picchu, Peru, perhaps adding sunny or something like that, and hit publish. That settles it. Since the image has been uploaded to the app's marketplace, anyone can view it and purchase it for $10. Keep in mind though that of those $10, $5 will be added to our account. Countless users have downloaded this app. Over 5 million people have already downloaded it, so your photo may sell in a matter of minutes, or it could take a few hours, or it could take a few days. If you want to make a quick sale, you should seek out the most picturesque locations and capture screenshots there. I have one bit of advice for you now. The FOAP app's algorithm will promote your images more actively if you post lots of them and receive many likes under each one. Daily, you'll see an increase in both views and sales, resulting in a higher daily income. Uploading several hundred images over the course of a few days or weeks will put you in a position to begin earning money in a completely passive fashion. This means you can stop adding new photographs to your account and instead focus on making sales from your existing portfolio. This means that the more time you devote to the game, the greater your financial reward. What's more, while I've been telling you all this, I actually sold my first photo. Please have a look. After making my first sale, I found myself $5 richer. What a wonderful idea! In a matter of minutes, maybe 30 or 40, the first photograph had been sold. That makes me ridiculously thrilled. $5 is a nice sum, and if you want to make more than $100 using this program, or even try to make $200, you need just repeat this process over and over. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit the like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn $995 per day just by downloading free applications. So, if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.